Mark D's, DJ Black Flame. Where do I go from here? I gotta pick up the pieces. Never stop believing, I'll give you my reasons. It was a dark, cold night. Soul's plight was torment, no warnings. Just receiving a misfortune. Here I am, not the same that I used to be, but musically I move with ease. The truth in me producing greed. And so they ask, can you handle the stress? I take it as it comes, they demanded the best. I stay focused, lonely nights succumb to emotion. It's hopeless, imagine how it feels to be broken. In a dark abyss is a shell of myself. The music keeps me alive, it's the delicate wet tears of sadness. A bittersweet happiness, there's so much to express, but I can't from just rapping it. Is this happening? I can't believe it's true. I'd rather it be me, but it's you. As I think back on the life that I live, I look to the skies when I write with this pen. It's been a cold world, and it took a lot out of me, but still I stand strong. This music empowers. As I think back on the life that I live, I look to the skies when I write with this pen. It's been a cold world, and it took a lot out of me, but still I stand strong. This music empowers. Song after song, album after album, I'm still up in the booth with remarkable outcomes. How come they don't believe in the talent? You can't conceive what I dreamed to you. Perceive a new challenge. It's been a hard life. Through the dark, I saw God's light.